In this video, I'll show you how to install Facebook Pixel on Systeme.io landing page. Alright, so first and foremost, let's create a pixel. So we're going to go to the left-hand tab inside of the Ads Manager, and we're going to click on Events Manager. In Events Manager, we want to click on Connect Data. Then we're going to choose Web and hit Next. Now we need to give our dataset a name. You can tick here at the bottom or just leave it ticked, and then you can choose a category, and when you've done that, hit Create. Now that we've created our dataset, let's click on Datasets, and you should be brought to this Connect Website section. Click on the drop down and choose your dataset, then hit Next. Go to the right and click on Connect Manually. Choose Meta Pixel Only, and now you'll have your Pixel ID. So you can copy your Pixel code, and we're going to go and paste this code in Systeme.io, and when we're done, we'll come back to this page and hit Continue. So go to your Systeme.io, head over to your sites on the top, and then Sales Funnels. Click on your funnel. Okay, I didn't create a landing page, but for the purposes of this video, let's say opt-in is our landing page. So we'll go to the right and click on Edit Page. We'll go to the top and click on Settings. Scroll down till you see Tracking. Select the Facebook event and then Edit Header Code. And now you're just going to paste that code from Facebook ads and save. And then you're going to put it in the footer as well and save. And then, as I said earlier, you'll go back and say Continue. And that's all there is to it. That is how you are going to connect the two. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.